Hi everybody, welcome to new tutorial. This is the tutorial about landscape 2. Today I'm going to show you how you can import landscape map, height map, and use it in your level. So create a new level. Uh, we don't need this floor, delete it. Now go to the landscape mode again. Here is the landscape. So previous day we show how to create. We change the location, we change the size, we change the size per component. But today I'm going to show you how we can import landscape from the height map. Now I have few height map in png format. So open the, this is image png format. We can view it. There is a white and black, white represent height and black represent flat. So that's the three map I have. So if I import the first one, you see all the height map resolution and scale and number per component, section size, all are there, and our landscape is created. So there is a fog, that's all I can see. So uh, height fog, lower the height fog. Now you can see the landscape. So this is the difference between your sculpt in and import in height map. There is every detail of it. And now import the second height map and make it here. You can see there is also resolution 90 Now that's the difference from the first one. There is, you can see the landscape. I have also made a road using flutter tool. So now I will import the third landscape. That's the big landscape. You can see the resolution 6000 and 7000. You can see it's bigger than the previous two. Make it here and import. So this is a very big height map compared to other two. That's why it will take a few times to generate. But my point is, you can import a landscape and you can modify it with your sculpting tool. That's how you can make beautiful of your landscape. So now came to the third landscape and you can see how beautiful it is. It's look like a Grand Canyon. So you can import and make a height map like that. You can get help from third party software or Google Map, I don't know. Research yourself, but I'm showing it how it's currently working. Maybe it will improve in future. Now we can create a landscape. I want to make it small. Create. Now the third option is we can sculpt the landscape and we can then export the landscape anywhere in Unreal Engine. We can export it in PNG format and use any level, any project, or anywhere we prefer in Unreal Engine. So I just made few changes. I add few function. I add few noise, smooth, sculpting, and then I export it and then I also import it. So I add few erosion. You can see the changes. Here is the smooth flutter. So I want to make a road like that, and then I want to go from here. That's the road I made. Now we can export it from here, import and export to files. We can export the same landscape in PNG format, and then if we import it, it will look like same. So there is export option, and select the folder and select the name. I name it test the map, and that is press the export. That is exported. Now we can create a landscape from the same file. I just import it, make it here. We need to go to the manage and new import the same file. Now you can see both are same, both the landscape are the same. So that's how you can import and export the landscape file from one project to another project, or one level to another level. Now delete all of this. Now I will show you how you can generate a landscape from a third-party software. Delete this. I don't want to delete this, it can stay. Now you can go to the World Machine software. That's a level landscape generate software. You can download it for free. There is also a paid version. Paid version have a lot of option, but a free version have a very few function. So I just open World Machine Basic. So if you open the World Machine, you will generate a landscape like that. It is the default. There is a terrain creation, filter and output function already given. I want to add a curve. If I drag and search, the curve function will show, and if we double click, it will show more option. We can change the option, we can change the other thing. Now go to the project setting, and we want to export it in Unreal Engine landscape resolution 1009 and 1009. That's the free version highest resolution. If you want to go further, you should buy it. Now I just change a few curve, and you can see the viewport is changing. We can change like full curve, gentle 5. So I think this is the perfect. Now we can add a erosion and change there is a 12 preset in erosion. Change the erosion and make it your own way by changing the function. You can see I have a lot of function to change. So I made like that. It have detail, more detail than other. I don't have time. There is also tutorial about World Machine, so generate your own preference level from there. So add with the height output, and you should give the export location, and the file format should be always 16-bit raw, otherwise you cannot use it in Unreal Engine. So if you press right to this, it will just export. Now come to Unreal Engine and select yes our output 2. That's the output 2. Now we can import it. Our landscape generate on there 0 0 0. So drag and drop here, and if we generate, you can see detail it's too much detail. How I mean what we wanted, it's the same way. So now you can change this, add material as your preference, add road, add building, or add whatever you prefer. That's how game development level is generated. So I am adding the road. So you can change like that. So this is for today's tutorial. Bye everybody, and see you in next tutorial.